Rejection. It's something we all fear, but what if I told you it could be your greatest teacher? In this video, we're uncovering 13 powerful lessons to transform rejection into your secret weapon for success. Stick around because lesson 9 might just change the way you see life forever. Script. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that everyone can relate to: rejection. Whether it's in relationships, careers, or personal goals, rejection can sting. But here's the truth. It's not the end of the road. It's a stepping stone to something greater. By the end of this video, you'll see rejection as an opportunity, not a setback. Let's jump into the 13 lessons. Lesson 1. Rejection is redirection. When one door closes, another opens. Rejection often pushes you toward paths you never considered but are better for you. Embrace it as life's way of guiding you. Lesson 2. It's not always about you. Sometimes rejection is a reflection of circumstances, not your worth. Don't take it personally. People make decisions based on their own needs and situations. Lesson 3. Build resilience. Each rejection you face strengthens your emotional muscles. Over time, you'll find yourself bouncing back faster and stronger. Lesson 4. Learn from feedback. Use rejection as an opportunity to reflect and grow. Ask for constructive feedback if possible, and use it to improve yourself or your approach. Lesson 5. It reveals true intentions. Rejection forces you to evaluate how badly you want something. If you're passionate about your goal, you'll find a way to keep going. Lesson 6. Develop a growth mindset. Instead of saying, "I failed," say, "I'm learning." Rejection fuels personal and professional growth if you let it. Lesson 7. Rejection builds empathy. Experiencing rejection helps you understand and connect with others who face similar struggles. It makes you more compassionate. Lesson 8. It's part of success. Every successful person has faced rejection. From authors like J.K. Rowling to innovators like Steve Jobs, rejection is often a precursor to greatness. Lesson 9. Focus on what you can control. You can't control others' decisions, but you can control your response. Use rejection as motivation to work harder and smarter. Lesson 10. Rejection creates opportunity for better fits. Sometimes rejection frees you to find a situation, job, or person that's a better match for your skills and values. Lesson 11. It teaches you patience. Good things take time. Rejection often delays success, teaching you the value of persistence and patience. Lesson 12. It builds your story. Rejection adds depth to your journey. The struggles make your eventual success even more meaningful and inspiring. Lesson 13. Gratitude in disguise. One day, you'll look back at some rejections and be thankful they happened. They'll lead you to things you didn't even know you needed. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing insights. Let me know in the comments which lesson resonated with you the most. Until next time, keep turning challenges into opportunities.